In today's video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial how you can start staking your Near protocol and start earning an APY of 8.79% on your crypto. Now, when it comes to staking your cryptocurrencies, it can be achieved multiple ways. So I'll be discussing how I'll be staking my Near protocol through a validator. And I'll be using my Near wallet as my wallet of choice to stake my Near protocol. A lot of you might be very skeptical about staking your cryptocurrency, especially after what happened to FTX and Celsius. But me personally, I'm willing to take that risk. So with that being said, please do your research and your due diligence when it comes to investing, staking, or even trading cryptocurrency. Now that we are aware of all the risks associated with staking your cryptocurrencies, why did I choose my Near wallet and why am I going with a validator? The answer is simple, because there is a minimal amount of risk when staking through a validator. Let me explain. So a validator plays a critical role in the security of a blockchain network, and you are betting on a whole blockchain network instead of staking your cryptocurrencies to an exchange or to a platform such as Celsius, as we've seen in the past. The validator's responsibility is to actively run a node, validate the transactions, and actively participate in securing the network. With that being said, the whole network will have to go down in order for you to lose your cryptocurrencies. And second, my Near wallet has an amazing feature of auto compounding, auto reinvesting, so you do not have to claim your rewards and reinvest them. It does it for you automatically. For the start, I'll be funding my wallet with 400 tokens, which is roughly around $1,200. I am a big holder of Near protocol and I do believe in this project. I do hold around 6,000 tokens, which I will be staking in the upcoming days. Now the wallet is all ready to go. It has 410 tokens in it, roughly $1,100. Now, if we look up here, we have wallet and we have staking. We're simply going to go ahead and click on staking, and down here, we're going to select stake my tokens. It's asking us to select a validator. Now, selecting a validator can play a significant role of how much you can actually earn. As we look all of these different validators, we see here the fees that they do charge. Some charge 1%, some charge 9%, and some charge even 100%. You gotta pay attention which validator you're selecting so you make profits on your staking. So when I say fees, I mean the validator is actually collecting, for instance, this validator right here, 1.5% of the fees is being collected on your rewards. He's taking 1.5% of fees. Now, if we scroll down here, we see right here, this one is actually taking 100% of fees, 100% of your reward is being taken. So you're basically not earning any money by staking through this validator. You essentially want to choose a validator that is somewhere in the range of 1 to 2%. To further investigate the validators and to find a perfect fit for your staking, you can always come to near-staking.com and come down here and actually investigate all these validators. Look at the numbers that these validators have. This will show us that there are 210 current validators and the total amount of tokens that they are actually being staked in their pool. Also, over here in this column right here, it's showing you the number of delegators that they are participating in their pool. It's also worth mentioning that the last epoch is paying at 8.79% APY, and this changes slightly. It goes up, it goes down, but it averages anywhere from 8 to 10%. When I choose validators, I never go with the first 10 because the first 10 hold the majority of the tokens. As we see here, 37 million, 30 million. I always go down further for the validator that holds a decent number of tokens. Not a lot and not too little. I'm going to choose this one right here, Smart-Stake Pool V1. 1% is the fee that they're charging, and they currently have 3 million tokens in their pool. Back at my Near wallet, I found that same validator right here. So I'm simply going to select that validator. Up here, stake with the validator. We have the fees, 1%. Now the numbers, Total amount stake is 0. You can also unstake. Just keep in mind, it will take 52 to 65 hours in order for your tokens to be released. I'm clicking stake with validator right here, and it's asking us the stake amount. What is the amount that we want to stake? I have 410 available tokens. I'm not going to stake everything. I'm going to stake 400 tokens. We are ready. If we scroll down here, we can hit submit stake, and it's saying you are staking 400 tokens, which is roughly $1,100 with this validator that has a fee of 1%, and it's currently active. Do you want to confirm? I am going to go ahead and click on confirm. Your stake has successfully been delegated to your chosen validator. On the dashboard, you will see your available balance remaining, which is 10 tokens, staked 400, and down here will be your breakdown. 400 staked, your earned rewards will show up here, and available to withdraw is going to be showing down here. Current validator is staking, and we're basically going to start earning rewards on our 400 staked near protocol tokens. Now, why am I going to be staking almost 6,000 near protocol tokens? If we come to the calculator and we choose near protocol and similar APY, 6,000 tokens in a year's time with compounding will give me 454 extra near tokens. Remember, I'm playing a long game here. 454 tokens might not be a lot at current prices, but I am betting on near protocol on the all-time highs, which is $20 and even possibly more than $20. So if we do the math of near protocol going to $20 and having 454 extra tokens, we'll see the results in the long run. So 454 tokens at the price of $30, let's say, 454 times $30 would give us extra $13,000. This is exactly why I'm going to be staking 6,000 near protocol tokens. Keep in mind, this is my own doing. I'm willing to take this risk because my portfolio is not like everybody else's portfolio. Everybody has a different risk tolerance. By any means, I'm not suggesting that you should follow me or any other YouTube. As a matter of fact, you should not follow anybody when it comes to your money. I myself don't follow anybody when it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies, and I do not follow anybody's advice, and you should absolutely do the same. Choose what's best for you and for your money. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful on how to stake your near protocol, even if you choose to do so. Remember, nothing I say here is financial advice, so go ahead and like the content and subscribe to the channel for more crypto content in the future.